Thanks for joining us again, guys. Today we are working on my truck again. As you notice, I probably got a new set of shoes. It's really nice wheels. I had to take it to the tire shop and get the wheels swapped over with the sensors. And one of the things that the smaller shops didn't do is calibrate the new sensors to each wheel. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do that. There is one tool that you're going to need. You can find this on Amazon.com. It's cost me about 13 bucks and it's super simple to use. So what we're going to do is just get going on it. Now, one of the nice things about these trucks is as you're calibrating, the lights on each respective wheel will light up. So as you go around the truck counter, no, you want to go clockwise. Yeah, you go clockwise around the truck and each light will light up to tell you which wheel to do next. So we're going to hop in here and shut the door because that beeping sound really annoys me. Get the door shut here. So I'll just go ahead and put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position. You don't have to start your truck, just turn it on. And from there, you have your steering controls on the right side, the up, down, left, and right, and you're just going to basically use the up and down to find your tire pressure sensors. So we'll go up here just a couple of times, and that's my cell phone. It's not connected yet, so we'll skip over that. We're going to hit dismiss. That's not it either. No. It's in here somewhere. Oh, trailer brake. I had a issue with that. We'll do another video on that. I think it was my sensor that was going out of the switch in the dash, so we'll worry about that later. That's that thing over there. So we're going to go to the tire pressure sensors, which we're going to eventually come across. And there it is. So as you can see, the tires are showing pressures, but they're off because each wheel is in a different spot. So what you want to do is hit the check mark here, and you want to hold it down until you actually hear the truck beep. You'll hear it beep twice. That lets you know it's in tire learning active mode, or whatever they call it. So now we're going to hop out the truck here, and we're going to go around to each wheel. And you don't put this thing on the actual rim itself. So what I was talking about earlier about the lights lighting up, there you go right there. You just take this and you stick it on the sidewall of the tire right in front of the valve stem. You push it in, and hang on, we gotta find it here. Oh, gotta hit it one more time. And what'll happen is you'll hear your tire beep, or your horn will honk. So next thing your truck will do is it'll light up the next tire that it wants you to go to. So it makes it super simple. I mean, there's no way you can mess this up, guys. So you find the valve stem, you click the button again, and you put it right on the tire in front of the valve stem. So you'll hear it beep again. Then you just move right along to the tire number 3. Same thing. You'll see the rear light up to let you know to calibrate that tire next. So you come back over to the tire and you find the valve stem again, which I think it was a little more like the 2 o'clock, which it was. Yeah. So you just stick it right on the wheel there. Last one. Come on around. You'll see it light up the final side. So you go ahead and you put the device back on the tire stem again, which is at 11 o'clock. So once you hear the horn, you let it go, and then you hear honk twice to let you know that you are out of the calibration mode. And as you will see on your dash here, your tires will be calibrated and that message will be going away. So that's pretty much it. Not a lot to it. Anybody can do this, and again, you can take that, you can buy that tool on Amazon.com. When you're done, just go ahead and take your key out and take it out and put it up. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. It's a super simple video. Just wanted to make a real quick one in case anybody was wanting to know how to do this themselves. It's also great if you rotate your tires yourself. This is something that you can do in about 10 minutes or less. So if you have any other questions, comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.